My name is Jim. I've been a NuCalm user for 14 years. I use NuCalm every day, mostly rescue. I use deep sleep every night, and I use focus all day long to help me achieve my goals and keep my mind in the state that I want. And Jim Kwik has been a dear friend of mine for years, and I'd love for him to share how he uses NuCalm.
So I want to thank you for creating this incredible technology. It's something that I use, our family uses, and our team uses every single day. I call it my secret weapon. I feel like I'm at a disadvantage if I don't use it. Right now, currently, I've been using NuCalm for over 5 years. Haven't missed a day. It's something that is part of my routine. I believe first you create your habits, then your habits create you, right? You create your habits of reading and exercising and using NuCalm, and those habits create you back. The 3 that I'm using the most right now, recharge. This is something that I need that 20 minutes, and I usually use it after lunch. And it's usually when I'm having a little bit of a lull. I pride myself on being highly productive and highly effective. And so many people are busy for the sake of being busy, and I don't think that's really the goal. For me, sometimes you have to disconnect to reconnect. You have to slow down so you could speed up, right? And so for me, around 2 or 3 o'clock is that time for me where I feel like, ooh, I've been on the computer too long, or I've been doing too many interviews, or I've been just writing. I need a pause. I need to take what I call a brain break to recover, to replenish, to restore. And that's what I do. I do recharge 20 minutes, and I feel like afterwards, it feels like I just got 4 hours of sleep, okay? And I feel like a new person again. What I also use on regular is focus. I use that, especially when I'm deeply creating. This is for my deep work. And this is usually where I'm doing 30 minutes to 90 minutes of sustained focus, concentration. I want to write that chapter. I want to be able to create that online program. I want to do this deep study and research in a specific subject that I'm featuring on our podcast. So I love focus. And then finally, I think the most important superpower that helps reset all of us that we often neglect is sleep. You know, and for so many people, sleep is an issue. How do you fall asleep? How do you stay asleep? How do you wake up refreshed and reinvigorated to be able to win the morning and win the day? I don't use headphones for that. I put it onto our speakers right by my nightstand, and I set it. I even set it even for 10 hours just to be safe. I never use all 10 hours of it, but I have it going on in the background, and I find that my latency, I fall asleep faster. I have better deep sleep, which is for my body. I have better enhanced REM sleep, which is the restorative part for my mind. I even think that my dogs sleep better when they're listening to it also as well, to be frank. And so here's the thing. These are things that are passive. That's what I love about NuCalm. It's a passive experience, meaning I can set it and just forget it. And I use it. I don't feel guilty about it, because so many people are just busy, and they don't want to take a break. You know, something could be achievable, but not sustainable over time, right? That if you're persistent, you could achieve it, but if you're consistent, you get to keep it. And I think one of the most important things is you can't be reaching all the time. You have to reach, you have to replenish and recover and recharge, and you have to rest, and then you repeat. And that's really the key. I want to thank you for creating this incredible technology. You know, I know it's helped countless individuals. It's something that I refer and I share with my team, with people, friends and family members also as well, and also clients, corporate clients, our celebrity clients, high-performing athletes, people who can't afford to make a lot of mistakes, you know, with what they do. And so if you're even considering this is kind of a no-brainer. And pun intended, this is a no-brainer, because your state of mind, you know, that you're choosing to be in, that your rest, your recovery, your focus really is the sum total of the results that you're going to get in your life. And so I want you to get those that you desire, and then those that you really deserve. Knowledge by itself of this is not power, right? It's potential power becomes power when we apply it. So I encourage you to take one small, simple step, right? Remember that the choices that we make are the sum total of all the choices that we make. And I encourage you, I cajole you, I cheer you on to take this one little step and try it and see for yourself. My name is Jim Kwik.
My name is Jim Poole. Let's own the day with NuCalm.
Change your brain, change your life. Be limitless, everyone.